my channel. So today I wanted to try and make some cute little coasters. So I've got these wooden coasters. Not sure if it was the best idea to not tape the back. I might do that before I start, but I'm going to be trying some marbling ink. I've got a black, a white, a gold and a silver. So I want to try and do the same technique I did on some paper in a previous video. And I'm just going to use some soapy water, a paintbrush, a stick and the coasters. So let's get ready to marble. So I think I want to start with a little bit of a simple design, and I don't mind if they're going to be all the same or different. So I'm just going to start by putting a base color in the water like so. Make sure you shake them before you use. And then I'm going to be starting my drip and dip. So I'm going to drip the ink. I think I want a little bit bigger one to start with. And then I'm going to dip my brush with the dish soap. Put another drop. Oh, I messed that one up. Let's see if I can fix it. Broke another one. Let's add some more ink. I think the outside ring is drying. That's why it won't expand anymore. So let's see if we can help it to go and move a little bit to the outside. I'm just pulling the outer skin and sticking it to the side of the container. I need a little bit more of a design to fill up the space on the coaster. I'm gonna try a little bit more. I think I'm gonna do maybe one different color in the center, just one drip if it wants to come out. Let's see if we want to make the design a little bit more interesting and trying not to mess it up too much. I think that will do. So I did end up putting some tape on my little coaster and some parts that I can hold it with. I'm going to place it on, and then you want to remove the excess paint that's on the side because you don't want it to mess up your design. And then I'm going to pull it up like so. I like the design, but it got some bubbles. Let's see if I can fix those and we'll try another one. Okay, so let's go for a little bit more of a traditional design. I'm just gonna put on a base. Kind of feel you need to do this like two-handed because the gold tends to dry really fast. Okay, one more gold. Let's try and make some lines in this. Don't want to make it too busy, but I do want this to meet up a little bit more. Okay, and let's dunk it, and I'm going to dunk it a little bit deeper this time. Clean up the rest of the ink as much as possible. I did put some acrylic paint on the coasters because I didn't want them to soak up any water because they are MDF. Oh, okay. That didn't work. My tabs were too small this time. Okay, I'm just gonna try and pick it up on the sides. Okay, less bubbles. That's good. I only see one right there. Oh, so this is number 2. Let's try one more together. So let's try one more with the soap. I'll start by just making a black base. Let's do just one silver. Let's stick the base down to hurry. First do black. Oh no, the silver is making it not want to spread. That's the problem with the metallics. They dry so super fast. I want to go for a little bit of a simple design. So maybe one more drop of silver. Pop some bubbles, pull it out just a little bit. I know I'm pushing it. Let's just go for it. Hopefully my tabs will stay stuck this time. Okay, pull it up. Don't know what's happening with the bubbles. Maybe it's because the wood doesn't form to the water. It's hard, but yeah. Let's try the last one. Okay, so let's go crazy with the last one. And let's just see what happens. If it wants to come out. Okay. Let's pull some to the side so it's big enough for my coaster. Let's see what we get. Pull the rest off. Wow, a big blobby mess. It's cool, but like there's still some issues with the water. I'll show you the dry results. Here are the dry results. As you can see, they look a little bit different. When they first dried, I just found them a bit boring. So I ended up double dipping each and every one of them. But I'm really happy how they turned out. They are so much more interesting to see and I love using them for my drinks. So what do you think? Are they too busy or are they just busy enough? Please leave your thoughts on these down below in the comment section because I would love to hear your thoughts on these. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell. That way you won't miss any future videos. But for now, thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye everyone!